time that I wasted, I feel like you can't feel the way I feel before. If you can be right here.
This is how we're looking like, you know, we're wearing some relaxed light blue jeans. It's alright out here. Mine's the closest one. Oh no. Yeah. Right now guys, we're about to head to Kid Leroy's concert. Free tickets. Thanks to Tommy.
You're welcome.
Thanks bro. And yeah, he's super rich, this guy. Yeah, it was his single as well. But yeah, anyways, we got free tickets to Kid Leroy. This is Kid Leroy's world tour first ever concert. And yeah, he's finally in Melbourne. So we're going to be attending this. And this will be my very first concert in like 4 years. So the last time I went to a concert was like back in 2018. I think it was Blackpink's concert. So it's been a very long time since I've been to a concert. So I'm very, very keen. Very excited as well. And I'm pretty sure all the boys are excited. Look at that. He's jumping, bro. He's jumping. Yeah. Anyways, gonna definitely bring you guys along, show you guys some of the footages tonight. And yeah, just spend some quality and good time with the boys and everyone at the concert. So, see you guys there. Let's get freaking going. Josh's apartment balcony. There's a mad view. How's your drink, Tommy? Put him right on the spot, bro. Hey, where you going, Tommy? Tommy, come back. Hey, my man, Clay. Let's go. Hey, brother. Let's go.
Okay, go. She already talking and she go. I know that look on your face. You coming my way, you coming my way. Oh, you should let it go. You better have to love, cause I'm about to fucking open you. Fly with you, you know what I'm saying? I know that I told you that I never would have told you that. I love you, Melbourne. I'll see you later.
Alright guys, so right now I'm about to go to the shop to buy a housewarming gift for my mate. Not too sure what I'm gonna get for him. Alright, I am back guys. So, I ended up getting my mate a product from Aesop. So we got him a room spray bottle, which will help keep his room nice and fresh and smelling good. Pink pepper, lavender, tobacco. So those are some of the stuff in it. But anyways, let's head over to his now.
Is this class?
Father? What up?
Oh,
Hey! Thank you.
You're good.
Is your work desk? Thank you. Welcome to my new office, guys. Whole setup here, bro. Look at that. Pretty G. Pretty G. Wah loves his Studio Ghibli stuff. Pretty sure he bought this back when we went to Japan. About to cook. What are we cooking today, man? Okonomiyaki. which is Japanese pancake. Oh, that's cute as. Mini Asahi. Is this what we drink tonight?
Oil.
Oil. Olive oil, guys. Oh, it's better now.
That's $30, bro.
We got some bacon strips over here, guys. How much are we putting on?
Just a dash.
I miss you.
Left your bacon, it's very
Oh, yeah. Take a oh, shit.
You know how to make it?
Yeah. This seems about right. Okay.
Yeah, too much.
Water. Put it back to it. Final product. This is how it looks like. Let's try it out. You guys close up shot.
There you go, matey.
Oh wow. Wow, your one looks amazing.
Wow.
Yours actually look proper.
That's nice.
It's like shots.
Cheers.
Congratulations, Squad.
Morning guys, how's everyone doing? So right now, this morning, we're gonna be going for a run. So I need my earpods, probably my phone. Amazing weather. So as I mentioned in the last vlog guys, we're gonna be preparing, getting ready for the marathon. The event is actually like a month away, which is 4 weeks, not too long or not too far from now. So very excited. My first ever marathon event. It's not gonna be a full marathon though, a 10 kilometer run, which is quite a distance for me since it's my first marathon run anyways. So this is the path here, and basically it leads all around to the other side as well. See that bridge over there? And you can see people walking on the other side too. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me try to zoom in. There's like a couple there, and there's a person there as well. So you know, yeah, beautiful place for a run. I'm gonna stretch now guys, you know. I'm gonna show you guys some of my stretching routine. Let's get it going. We're gonna make it. But look at these houses. How nice. Look at these houses. How nice are they? One day guys, dream big. You know what I'm saying guys? Work hard. Let's get it freaking going. And this year's our year. We're gonna make it our year. Let's go. So right now guys, about to cross on this bridge. How beautiful the water is. Oh, not really. It's fucking great as. We don't stop here. Oh shit guys. I think I went on the wrong path. The bridge is right there. And I'm like on this footpath over here. It's not even leading to the next pathway down there. So I don't know where the hell this is taking me. There's some nice houses down here. I think we should head back, because this leads you to like nowhere, back into the residential area. I guess we went on the wrong path guys. I need to head back to the other path that takes me over to that bridge. But yeah, anyways, still a good run. I'm gonna keep going though. Let's go. Also guys, you know what I realized? Once you get in the habit of running consistently, right? Your body just adapts to running, and you just, at a certain point into your run, you just stop feeling tired at all. Like your lung is so used to it that it's just a normal thing for your body. Okay, we made it guys. Made it to the bridge. It's right there. That was definitely a journey guys. I was all the way on that side, but now on the right track. Still got a long way to go. So let's get it going. Let's So guys, a bit shaky. Hopefully the stabilization on the camera will help out with all this shakiness. Beautiful weather. Hello. And we made it back, guys, in one piece. Oh man. Woo! Now that's a workout, guys. Sheesh.